Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of Sparkflows running on HP Ezmeral Unified Analytics Platform. So HP Ezmeral Unified Analytics Platform provides access to different set of frameworks like Presto, Superset, Kubeflow, Airflow, Spark, and many more. And Sparkflows leverages some of these frameworks to give you a great drag and drop self-service machine learning orchestration platform. So first, let's look at the data sources that is provided by the data fabric system of HP Unified Analytics Platform, and we can always go ahead and browse it. And in the Sparkflows directory, we have stored all the different set of dependencies that we would be requiring. And then if we go to the applications and frameworks, we can see that Sparkflows is installed as one of the data engineering services. So now let's quickly jump on to the Sparkflows dashboard. So this is a dashboard where you can see different set of projects that we have created, and each of these projects would be having workflows that gets executed on the Ezmeral platform, and all of these executions can be retrieved to observe what were the trends in the execution. And then we have a bunch of processors. Processors are nothing but the set of connectors that allows us to build a workflow using drag and drop wizard. So let's jump onto the project.